Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download and set up Western Union on your mobile phone. To do so, you will simply have to either open App Store or Play Store depending on the phone you are using and type Western Union and go to the app and then click on download. That done, you will have to click on open and it will lead you directly to the app. And once in the app, you will have to select a country and after that choose a language. From there you can now either sign up or log in if you already have an account. So to sign up, you will have to fill all the informations on this page, that is first name, short name, middle name if you have one, and your email, and then accept all the conditions. And after that, you will have to select the country where you are located. This will permit you to insert your mobile number, and Western Union will send you a verification code. So once you receive the verification code by message, we just have to fill it here, and this is all about the setup process. You can now decide to allow Western Union to use your Face ID or not, and from there you can go to the menu and see the different options you have, that is send money, quickly send, track transfer, and so on. So this is all about the setup and download of Western Union, as simple as that.